Hi, today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you, and this is very easy question, so I hope most of you would be able to solve these problems on your own. So I recommend you to stop video here, read the questions, answers, choose your correct answer, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer in explanation. So here's the first question. When heterozygous black pigs are intercrossed, the chance of the first two offspring being a black is, and here is 5 answers to choose from, and here is my explanation. So in order to solve this problem, everything we have to know is just how to build a Punnett square. So we are told that we have two heterozygous black pigs, and we will use this information. So for example, we can say that this would be capital A and small a, and this is going to be heterozygous, so we have to intercross two pigs that is heterozygous. So we put the same genotype here on the side, and now we build a Punnett square, and now we would be able to predict outcome of such a cross. So here we would have homozygous dominant, here we would have heterozygous here, and homozygous recessive. For example, if capital A dominant stands for the black color and recessive small a stands, for example, for white color, as you see here we would have 75% of such a cross progeny going to be black, and 25% going to be white. So that means that chances that the first progeny would be black is 75%. Or we also can say that this is going to be 0.75. And the chances that second progeny would be also black also would have the same chances. So this is going to be once again 0.75. So we have to multiply these two independent events, and the answer would be 0.56, or we can multiply this number by 100, and the answer would be 56%. The actual number is 0.5625, but we don't have such an answer, so we round just to 56, and this is answer B. Now we can move to the second question. The ABO blood groups of humans are determined by 3 alleles. How many genotypes are possible for these phenotypes? And let me first remind what the phenotypes we have, what the blood groups we have, and what is the 3 alleles. So the first phenotype would be blood group A, the second would be blood group B, third would be AB, and the last one would be blood group O, or phenotype O. So all these blood groups we also may call phenotypes, and as you see we have allele A, B, and O. So we have 3 alleles here, and 3 alleles make 4 phenotypes. And now let's count how many different genotypes we have here. So phenotype A can be made by the genotype AA. When we have 2 alleles AA, phenotype would be A. Also alleles A and O would make this blood group. Blood group B can be made by alleles BB and BO. So once again, 2 genotypes make this phenotype, and phenotype AB can be made by genotype that is AB, so only one genotype make this phenotype, and blood group O can be made by only one genotype, that is O. And as you see, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 genotypes that make these 4 phenotypes, and we have 1, 2, and 3 alleles altogether. So the correct answer would be that 4 blood groups can be made by 6 different genotypes, and this is answer C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.